Oh, you gotta start all over.
No. What the heck?
Cause all the bitches love me.
I'm gonna start laughing. Oh, you're gonna save the video too?
No, I'm just gonna record it and not save it.
Wait, not yet. Okay.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Sing to it too.
You back it up and dunk it.
Oh. Holy shit. Oh.
Or you just...
Yeah.
What happened to your...
I'm not getting lazy.
That's just a done.
Are you still recording?
Is that all they do?
Yeah.
Bro, that's the most tweaked out dance ever.
Oh, your part is coming up. Record him singing.
Oh, come on, Brandon.
Okay?
Oh, it's back on.
Okay, Paul.
Okay.
Shit.